Dua, tiga.
Hi everyone, my name is Aulia. I'm 11 years old. My grade is 6. My hobby is sport. Now I want to have sport in my school. Let's go. Years old. And this is my school. SDN 016 Dr. Cipto Pajajaran. With my friends. Tada! Now I want to play football with my friends. Thank you for watching my video.